Hello students, today we have yet another topper from CLAT 2025 and that is Palak. Hello Palak, how are you feeling?
Yeah, I'm all right. How are you?
I'm good. So Palak has secured an All India rank 102. And Palak, if you could brief us about your journey, how is this has been? Abhi tak kya raha? What was your parents' reaction after the revised result? The whole journey, if you could tell us.
Yeah, so basically, last December when the result came in, it was all right for me because I was getting my dream NLU finally. So I was like really excited, but then the petition came in and it all went down. It was really uncertain throughout 5 months. But
Right.
now that the results are out, we are pretty glad that we can move on finally.
Right. So now which NLU are you getting?
Now, NLS Bengal.
See, you still have your dream NLU in your hand. Every CLAT aspirant's dream NLU. And what were your parents' reaction once they got the final results?
They were happy.
Right. And since you have secured your dream NLU, you have got the rank, now you need to tell us regarding your journey, any specific strategy that you followed that will help CLAT 2026 aspirants. Now, just to let all the students know, Palak was a 1 year student, 1 year program student, that is, she prepared while she was in 12th, right, Palak?
Right.
Right. So she will be sharing the strategy as to how she managed her 12th vis-a-vis preparing for CLAT. So, Palak, please.
Yeah. So I was an online student at Law Prep. So basically, what I followed is see, for CLAT, you need to practice a lot. That's the must. You need to focus on your mark scores first, and then you need to pick out your mistakes and turn them into your strengths. So my strategy was that I used to give mock every Sunday and then analyze it on Monday. And one thing I did for whole the year was I was consistent. Like there was never a day whether I was out or I was feeling down because my scores were not good. It didn't bother me. I used to go ahead and do what I had to do.
Okay, so you see, students, you'll find this thing very common in all the toppers. Is first consistency, you need that for sure, and secondly, बहुत ही underrated चीज and that she clearly mentioned is mock analysis, right? I think Palak, it helped you a lot. It helps every student to know their strengths and weaknesses, right? And how was the schedule? Since you are an online student, so you need to tell the upcoming toppers, upcoming aspirants that how was your online schedule since you were studying online?
So my school was from 8 to 4, and then I used to take 6 to 9. It was for most of the time last ke time pe. So
Hmm.
I used to take classes, and from 9 to as much as I can stretch it out, I used to study.
Right.
It's not like you can study for 8 hours for whole week. It's understandable you can be burned out, but one thing I did was ki I made a to-do list. Like it helped me a lot because I'm a procrastinator. I get things done very late. So I used to keep this to-do list, and when I used to do my work, I just checked it out. Ki, okay, this is done, this is done. So it really
Right.
helped me a lot.
Yeah, so the to-do list basically helps you stay accountable, right? To stay true to yourself. And this is something a great strategy you have just told everyone that how just a simple to-do list कैसे हम छोटी चीजों को underestimate कर लेते हैं but वो बहुत important होती है, right? तो psychology भी help करती है कि अच्छा हमारे आज ये 5 pointers थे हमने पांचों tick कर दिए, so that feel good movement is also there, right?
Yeah.
Right. So, and regarding your mentors, how the faculties have been.
See, mentors were real good. Like I was scared for most of the time. I was a student who used to be very attached to mock marks. So if I got even 5 marks less from my previous mock, I used to be flabbergasted all of the time and used to contact all of them ki why am I not getting marks? But they coped up with me. They were all cool. Also, the teachers they were also fine. Whether it was Sonia ma'am, Mukul sir, especially Ritesh sir, he taught us maths. He was so good at it. Thanks to him, I got to score 10 at the end. Otherwise, my maths, oh my god.
It's like most of us maths dabba goal, but see, maths do gives you an edge, right? I hope you now get the fact. हम बच्चों को बोलते रहते हैं maths नहीं छोड़ना है, don't leave that section, and turns out she got an additional 10 marks just because she prepared for maths and she got 10 marks, right, Palak?
Right.
Right. And any other, tip that you want to tell other students or any particular thing that everyone should keep in mind while they're preparing for CLAT?
So first of all, CLAT में two subjects are there that give you the edge but are the most difficult to cope up with it. So the first is quantitative techniques and the second is GK. So my reading comprehension was good. So I was pretty good at English, logical and legal. The only subject I lagged behind with was QT and GK. So first of all, I would like to share this tip कि GK का syllabus is very vast. So I
Right.
used to do only magazines and material coaching provided, not because I was a student there, but because the material was top notch and I didn't used to, go somewhere else and look for it and be all out of my mind. And
Right.
second, QT. I did mock compilation. It helped me a lot. Like our teachers provided us 1 to 50 marks ka mock compilation for QT. And last ke 2 months mein, I did it again. So it helped me a lot.
Okay, so limited resources, correct resources takes you a long way.
Right.
Right. So, Palak, again, I wish you all the best and all the best for your journey ahead. I can see that you cannot wait to go to Bangalore, is it?
Yeah, I'm so excited.
Okay, all the best, Palak. Thank you so much.
Thank you.